Hello, my name's Bob Willis and welcome to Book Review. Every once in a while I pick up new books that have come to my notice and review them and hopefully provide some information to engineers worldwide. One of the latest books that I've received is from a good friend of mine, Brian Ellis, and the book is entitled Keep a Green Tree in Your Heart and Perhaps the Singing Bird Will Come. Strange title, but it's all about the environment. And Brian has been passionate about changing or improving or working to achieve a better environment for many, many years. The most interesting section is the first section, in fact, where Brian puts his view on what needs to happen or what he believes should happen, and 25 steps indicating where there is problems in our environment and how they could be improved. And then the book goes on and picks up in more detail environmental issues about energy, materials, contamination, etc. Now, Brian Ellis is famous for having a company that provided us with cleaning systems and, of course, cleaning contamination testing. He's a great guy, very opinionated. However, most of what he says is bang on. And it's very worthwhile a read. The idea of the book is providing something which is for everybody. So everybody can pick something out of this and think what they can do to improve the environment. Another book I've been reading recently is specifically about the space industry, and it was written by Barrie Dunn. Now, the book was originally published in 2016, but it covers all of aspects of electronic and electronic manufacturing related to space applications. And of course, space is a demanding environment. Barrie goes into solder joints, he goes into design, he goes into wire interconnection, coatings, and of course components and their compatibility with space applications. It's well illustrated. I feel that it's quite a large reference source, but certainly it's the first one I've seen specifically dedicated to manufacturing. There's some good examples of failure modes and of course examples of the standards that ESA, European Space Agency, have produced over many years. So if you're involved in space applications or designing for a space application, then certainly this is a good reference source for you. And if you're a younger engineer getting into a company that's involved in manufacturing some of the newer space products, then obviously it's a very good reference book for you.